Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. I ain't got no energy for none of that shit. Straight off the bat, this one came up on my recommended in on YouTube, so I thought I'd give it a reaction and see what is going on. So this is called When a Mass Murderer Gets Caught Red-Handed. This channel is about reaction. I would react to anything that I see out there that I think worth a reaction to. So it's not just music for me. So this one, don't know where it happens. I haven't watched the video. I haven't done anything. All I know, it's this was on the 5th of June of 2023. So that's what, 13 months ago, after the time of me reacting to this. So we're gonna go in this one and see what the hell is happening, why it's happening, and go from there. Turn that off. Okay. All right. So this is a police body cam. So let's go.
Video will see a heroic police officer take on a mass shooter alone while he waits for backup to arrive.
Get moving! I'm on foot. I need everybody I got.
Then the CCTV footage captures this monster's every move, while his cell phone videos simultaneously reveal his true intentions.
My goal is at least 20 people. When you see me on the news, you all know who I am. You're all going to die.
Psycho. He said his goal is at least 20
with a mass murderer who very quickly meets their match. On June 23rd, 2023, CCTV captured 32-year-old Andrew Warrender walking through the Turnberry Towers, a luxury condominium complex in Karen Avenue, Las Vegas, with an AR-15 rifle. Warrender grabbed the rifle from his uncle's apartment in the complex and can be seen walking down multiple stairs, through hallways, and even using elevators while armed, before eventually making it to the lobby on the first floor and opening fire.
So hold on, you're telling me he's doing this and no one see what he's doing? There's shadows here, or is this just the norm in Las Vegas? What is it? I don't know. I've never been to America, so people that's in America, let me know, because there's people here walking around here. He's got the AR in his hand right here, and there's people walking around. Like, no one thing to say, okay, this guy's up to something?
Complex and can be seen walking down multiple stairs, through hallways, and even using elevators while armed, before eventually making it to the lobby on the first floor and opening fire.
The fuck?
Simply answer a few questions to receive a free gift delivered to your doorstep.
Go away.
There's no need to enter credit card.
All this mass murder in the schools and stuff like this just...
Fortunately for the employees and the residents of the complex, Warrender was only able to fire one shot before his rifle jammed. As he tries to fix the malfunction, a guard steps up and fires back at Warrender, shooting him several times.
Good. Yes, good. Now you're crying. Look at you on the floor. This shit makes me so angry. I don't even know why I'm even reacting to this. Shit like this makes me so angry. He's on the floor crying now when he gets shot, when he was about to kill people. Should have killed him. Look at him. Look
Warrender was taken to the Sunrise Hospital to be treated for his injuries and was charged with assault with a deadly weapon, attempted murder, and discharging a gun within a structure.
Good job, security.
The residents of Turnberry Towers had luck on their side. But what happens when the threat is coming from a white supremacist? On May 6, 2023, a police officer was responding to a call in the parking lot at the Allen Premium Outlets Mall in Allen, Texas, when all of a sudden he heard gunshots being fired in the distance.
Y'all be good, okay? And make sure you wear your seatbelts when mommy's driving, okay?
Whoa.
145, I think we got shots fired at the outlet mall. I got people running.
Wait.
What was he being fired in the distance?
Y'all be good, okay?
Allen, Texas, when all of a sudden he heard gunshots being fired in the distance.
Y'all be good, okay? And make sure you wear your seatbelts when mommy's driving, okay?
Wow.
145, I think we got shots fired at the outlet mall. I got people running. Get moving!
Good response.
They're moving further away from me.
He's quick on it. He's not wasting no time with this one.
Without wasting any time, the officer grabs his rifle and sets off to address the threat.
This is giving me goosebumps, man. That the officer didn't think twice to grab his rifle and head towards where the shots are firing from. This is a good officer. This is a
Without
fucking
wasting
good
any
officer.
time, the officer grabs his rifle and sets off to address the threat. He runs across the mall for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, all while gunshots can be heard throughout.
That's a long run.
I'm on foot. I need everybody I got.
He's on foot. He needs everybody you got. Send the troops in. Come on.
Yes.
Although the officer calls in for backup, it isn't needed as he soon locates the shooter and confronts him.
I'm by Tommy Hilfiger. I don't know where he's at.
This officer is so brave, man. Hands off.
Shot the squad. All right, actually still going.
He's got a lot of rounds, man. He's beating a lot of rounds off. Whoa. Mind you, this is like 3:38 in the afternoon. Come shoot that suspect. Come on. Get him.
Shots fired by police. I got him down.
So you got him now. In this, there's no room for errors. There's no room for errors in this one, bro.
Hey, get off the air. I'm over here by Liz. I got him down. Is he down? Got down, bro. Got him, bro.
Look how it started, man. From speaking in the parking lot to some children to this.
Within just 4 minutes, the officer manages to locate and neutralize the shooter, who turned out to be 33-year-old Mauricio Garcia, a white supremacist who was well known for spreading his neo-Nazi and incel views online.
Prick.
He was planning an attack like this for some time and posted this chilling video a few days before the attack.
What did the
And
caption
posted
say? Moonful losers. See you in the morning. Whoa.
this chilling video a few days before the attack.
Fuck it. He's a prick. You see the
The incident
evilness in his
became known
eyes.
as the Allen, Texas mall shooting, and 9 people lost their
Get a business loan from 10K to 2 million with the
9 people
government-backed
passed away.
growth guarantee scheme. Search Portman GGS today.
lives, including 3 children. The heroic officer managed to take down the shooter before he could harm anyone else. But what happens when the suspect takes an officer down with him? On April 10, 2023, Louisville Metro Police received a report of shots being fired and a possible active shooter at the Old National Bank in Louisville, Kentucky. The officers arrived within just 3 minutes of the dispatch and saw that the shooter was still firing gunshots.
All it takes is just some idiot to get up and be having one bad day and start shooting up the whole place, bro.
Pull up.
Yo.
Pull up. Go. Stop right here. Back up. Give me out here. Stop right there. Stop. Open the trunk.
These guys are heroes, man. Seriously. Getting the rifle. Yep. One's got the rifle, one's got the pistol. Come on, bro. Let's go.
113 Baker, we're making entry from the east side at Preston and Main.
These guys are heroes, man. Fuck. He knew they were coming.
Officer.
He knew they were coming. He was waiting for them. Oh, the officer's okay, man. Still going.
damn it!
As the officers make their way to the building, the shooter opens fire at them and shoots one of the officers in the head, as the second officer jumps out of the way. The second officer calls in for backup and waits for it to arrive before acting any further.
In the head.
The shooter has an angle on that officer. We need to get up there. I don't know where he's at. The glass is blocking him.
Whoa. Is this guy playing GTA or something? What is he doing?
God, don't have an angle.
They don't have an angle on him. Perfect angle on them. Oh.
I think I got him down. I think he's down. Suspect down. Get the officer.
Suspect's down.
Huh? I know. He's down. Get the officer.
Yeah. Go and tend to the officer quick. What a prick, man.
It only takes a few shots from the officer to neutralize the shooter, who was later identified as 25-year-old Connor James Sturgeon, who was an employee in the Old National Bank. Although Connor's co-workers believed him to be a laid-back and low-key guy, he had a history of mental health issues and was planning an attack like this for a while. In fact, before he carried out the attack, Connor texted one of his friends and stated that he felt depressed and that he wanted to kill as many people in the bank as possible. The incident became known as the Old National Bank shooting, and 5 people lost their lives.
Shit.
Connor chose violence and decided to turn on his own co-workers. But what happens when an evil person enters a high school?
So did the officer die
On
then?
February 14, 2018,
didn't say the
police
officer
officers
died.
received a phone call regarding an active shooter at the Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School in Parkland, Florida.
For me, being a dad, for me, this is one of my worst nightmares to send your kids off to school and then something like this should happen, bro. Like, America is just...
The officers rushed to the scene to confront the shooter. However, they were too late as he had managed to kill 17 people before any help could arrive. The shooter, who was later identified as 19-year-old Nicholas Cruz, was a student at the high school before he was expelled in 2017 for disciplinary reasons. He was known for his anger management issues and often joked about guns and gun violence. All the red flags he displayed went unnoticed until this fateful day.
Exactly.
The CCTV footage before the shooting shows how eerily calm Cruz was before the eventual storm.
You would think with a country like this, or even the state that he's in with the gun laws and stuff, you would think that as soon as there's some sort of red flag popping up, people would like start taking action against people like this. But nothing.
CCTV footage before the shooting shows how eerily calm Cruz was before the eventual storm. After paying for his drink, Cruz made his way to the high school, where he walked into the school building, entered the hallway, and began firing indiscriminately at students and teachers. Just a few minutes...
So, hold on. Wait a minute, bro. He's in a school. He's in a school. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. He's in a school, yeah? And a guy just walked past him with a gun. Not thinking nothing
After
of
paying
it.
for his drink, Cruz made his way to the high school, where he walked into the school building, entered the hallway, and began firing indiscriminately at students and teachers.
That's him getting ready to start firing, bro. That's literally him getting ready to start firing.
A few minutes before dismissal time, Cruz managed to massacre 17 people. The scenes and cell phone recordings from within the campus are beyond horrific.
I know you can.
Still there? Oh my god! This is crazy, bro.
911, what is your emergency?
Yes, I just got a call from Douglas High School. They came on the line by the shooter.
Like this, yeah, like this. I think in some state, obviously, like I said, I've never been to America. I think in some states, teachers should be able to have their gun on them to protect the kids and themselves. I think this should happen. Is this happening already, guys? I don't know. Guys from America in the comment section, let me know, because I don't know.
If possible, could be Parkland, because I think we got shots fired.
Fucking crazy.
Make sure we get some units over here. I need to shut down Stone Douglas. Appears to be shots fired.
It's following them, bro.
I'm over on the south side, over by 700 building. Tango, Storm shutting down eastbound Holmberg.
This guy's been watching lots of videos, bro. Like, look at his positioning with the rifle, bro. It's like he's at some sort of training or some shit, bro. Look at him.
Step 4, west side of Holmberg.
Eventually, Cruz's AR jammed, so he dropped the gun and attempted to escape by blending in with the fleeing students. CCTV captured him attempting to escape before being apprehended by the police.
Man really tried to escape. See, I couldn't be a police officer. I would have finished him, bro. Like this one right there, I would have executed him. Honestly, I couldn't be a police officer, right? I would have finished him. I swear to God.
No.
I would have finished him.
What's going on? What's going on today, bro?
The demons, man.
Demons?
Voices.
Voices and demons?
Where's the voices?
Voices.
What the Where the f am I? Holy sh**. What happened?
Shut up.
Stop acting,
Be quiet,
bitch.
man.
He's
Cruz
acting.
claimed that he was
Such a
hearing
prick.
voices from demons, a story he held onto throughout his investigation. But police soon discovered mounds of evidence on the suspect's cell phone that painted a very different picture.
Exactly.
My name is Nick, and I'm going to be the next school shooter of 2018. My goal is at least 20 people with an AR-15 and a couple tracer rounds. I think I can get done. Location is Stone Douglas in Parkland, Florida. It's going to be a big event.
You're a sick. You're a sicko.
When you see me on the news, you'll know who I am. You're all going to die. Today is the day that it all begins. The day of my massacre shall begin. All the kids in school will run in fear and hide. From the wrath of my power, they will know who I am. I am nothing, I am no one. My life is nothing and meaningless. Everything that I hold dear, I let go beyond your half. Every day, I see the world ending another day. I live a lone life, live in seclusion and solitude. I hate everyone and everything. With the power of my AR, you will all know who I am.
You're an idiot, man.
I had enough of being told what to do and when to do. I had enough of telling me that I'm an idiot and a dumbass.
You are a dumbass.
But in real life, you're all the dumbass. You're all stupid and brainwashed by these political government programs. You will all see, you will all know who my name is.
You are a dumbass, bro.
My love for you, Angie, will never go away. I hope to see you in the afterlife. When one day or another, you will end and we'll all die. Alright, so here's the plan. I'm gonna go take an Uber in the afternoon before 2:40. From there, I'll go onto school campus, walk up the stairs, load my bags, and
did
get
that.
my AR and shoot people down at the main courtyard. Await, and people will die.
After watching these videos, it was clear that Cruz knew exactly what he was doing, and that he wasn't influenced by any voices or demons.
Prick.
Cruz was eventually charged with 17 counts of murder. He is now serving life in prison. Cruz's crimes are despicable.
So now he's in prison. He done all that shooting because he said he's tired of being told what to do and when to do it. Now you're in prison getting exactly that, bro.
And fortunately, he got caught. But what happens when a suspect actually gets away?
Should have died,
On
bro.
April 19, 2024, police responded to reports of hundreds of high school students who had congregated for the annual senior skip day in Greenbelt, Maryland. What was supposed to be a fun memory for the seniors turned out to be a traumatizing frenzy with several injuries.
Whoa. at this, man. Look how disheartening this look, bro. The officers can't shoot. There's too much kids.
One of the students opened fire at everyone in the park, injuring 5 people. The perpetrator fled the scene with the remaining students. Most perpetrators use their guns to commit their crimes. But what happens when a suspect uses something different? On November 21st, 2021, the Waukesha suburb of Milwaukee, Wisconsin was holding its annual Christmas parade downtown. The spirit of the attendees was especially high as the parade got canceled the previous year due to the lockdown. However, the festivities didn't last very long as something tragic would happen that would traumatize everyone.
Fuck. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. He just done all that, bro?
39-year-old Daryl Brooks drove a red SUV through the barricades and ran over the attendees of the parade. He drove straight through the people in a zigzag motion, killing at least 6 people and injuring dozens, including several children. The whole ordeal lasted several minutes before Daryl eventually attempted to escape. However, the officers managed to catch him outside his house.
My ID! My ID!
This guy's a fucking numpty.
Despite the violent nature of his crime, Daryl's arrest was pretty uneventful. He acted confused and played dumb initially, but didn't protest his arrest. Daryl was charged with 6 counts of first-degree intentional homicide along with several other.
Look at this prick. Look at this guy's eyes, bro. The fuck? Bro.
Charges and was sentenced to 6 consecutive life sentences without the possibility of parole, plus an additional 762 years to be served consecutively.
Whoa. Shit like this make me so mad, make me so fucking mad. I just want to say respect to the officers that's putting their life on the line, not knowing if they're going to go back home to see their family every day whilst policing those crazy streets of America, man, and other countries in the world as well, not just America. I'm not just gonna point at America. Like most countries in the world, fortunately, you have shit like this happening. I wonder if the officer that got shot in the head, I wonder if he passed away. They didn't say in the video if he did or not. So if you guys know in the comment section, let me know if he did pass away. More than likely, because that's a headshot, but I don't know. I don't want to speculate on that. Oh wow, shit like this make me so crazy, man. Make me so angry, because those guys that got arrested and charged. If I was an officer, I would have been putting bullets in them. Seriously, I don't care. I would have been putting bullets in them. R.I.P. to everyone who passed away in this video, man. Condolences to the family. Let me know if you guys want me to react to some more of these stuff. And I'll catch you guys in the next reaction, I guess. Peace, man.